This evening, our celebrations would take the form of two parts. We would have the puja part, the religious part, where we'd all join together. Then we'll take a short break, we'll have the lighting of the diyas, and then we'll have our cultural program, conclusion, and refreshments. Okay? So, as we begin, I ask everyone to join together in opening prayer, wherever you are. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Bhagavan He Ram, He Ram, He Ram, He Ram. हमें दया करो गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्र मूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनो रघुबर विमल यश जो दायक फल चार बोधहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार सियापति रामचंद्र दिग्विजय शरणम। हे नाथ मम संकट हरो हरि। Offer the flowers. Bow. Everyone, please be seated. Okay, we are going to perform Lakshmi Mata Puja here on the Bedi. Puja means worship, superficially, but we know, or by now we should know, that these offerings we make, it's not really for a deity per se, but it's for us. So it's a process called Bhut Shuddhi to purify our own senses by the ingredients that we offer, together with the mantras that we say. So everyone can't do the puja, but wherever you are, you can either imagine you're making the offerings or just listen to the mantras and they will have an effect on you, on your own senses and mind. Okay? So we begin first, offer water each place. Harihi Om Tat Sat, Harihi Om Tat Sat, Harihi Om Tat Sat. Om Namo Swanantaye Sahasramurte Sahasaparakshi Shirobahave Sahasranamane Purushaya Sasute Sahasakotu Yugdharinye Namaha. You have Panchamrit there too? One drop each place. Om Payo Dadhigritam Chaivam Madhucha Sharkayayutam Panchamritam Mayanitam Snanartham Pratigrihitam Ganganapatye Namaha Lakshmi Mata Namo Namaha Panchamritam Snanam Samarpayami. Chandan, put some water in this for the Chandan Murti. Om Sri Khanda Chandanam Divyam Gandhadyam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Surasresham Chandanam Pratigrihitam Chandanam Samarpayami. देवी सुख सौभाग्यदायिनी तस्मात् त्वं पूज्यम्याथ सुख शांतिं प्रयच्छ मे सिंदूरं शोभनं रक्तं सौभाग्यं सुखवर्धनं कामदं चैव सिंदूरं प्रतिगृहीतां flowers पुष्पाणि प्रतिगृहीतां पुष्पांजलि समर्पयामि Lady Agarbati in the meantime. Divindreva Thali Farati. Light it. Okay, so spray essence. Pass the Agarbati around 5 times. Om Banaspati Rasod Bhuto Gandha Jo Gandha Uttama Adriyan Sarvadevanang Dhupoyam Pratigrihitam Dhupam Samarpayami. Stick it one side. Pass Arati 5 times. Om Sajam Chavarti Samyuktam Vahino Yodatam Maya Deepam Grihan Devesya Trailokiti Mirapaham Deepam Samarpayami. Bodhistri Lakshmi Mata Ki Jai. Prasad. Right, so what you have here? One for Ganesh, one for Lakshmi. You have 3 here. All right, take up that one. Okay, just pop her with the fire, please. Swaha. Namaha Naivedyam Ashvanam Samarpayami. Bole Sri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai. For the flowers in front. Alright. Take up the next 2. Give Bindi 1. You hold it up Chansahari. And fire. Om Hrim Srim Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha Swaha. Offer a little bit of prasad in front of the Murti. Okay, hold it in your hand. Lakshmi Mata Namo Namaha Naivedyam Ashvanam Samarpayami. Bole Sri Lakshmi Mata Ki Jai. Wait, offer it. Flowers in front, then put it back. All right, we're going to do Havan now. Take a flower. Put it on this pan. Just rest it there. So hold the flower in your hand. We're going to perform Havan together, devotees. We concentrate on Agindev. Harihi Om Tat Sat, Harihi Om Tat Sat, Harihi Om Tat Sat. ओम अंग 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 ज्वलित मुखे अरुण माता वरुण पिता शांडिल्य गोत्र पावकानाम अग्निदेवाय नमोस्तुते। ओम आगच देव देवेश तेजो राशि जगतपते क्रियामानां मया पूजां गृहान् सुरसत्तम। ओम नाना रत्ना समायुक्तं कार्त स्वर विभूषितम् आसनं देव देवेश प्रीत्यरतं प्रतिगृहीताम्। Second devata आवाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि. Place the flower down the side. Pass water around 3 times. ओम नमो सुनंताय सहस्रमूर्ते सहस्रपादाक्षि शिरोरबाहवे सहस्रनामने पुरुषाय सास्वते सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमः. Okay, take up some ghee. Going to do Gayatri mantra jap, everybody, 5 times. First of all, take a deep breath. Out through your mouth slowly. One more time. Out slowly. Close your eyes, sit up straight. And 5 times Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि Dhiyo yo naha prachodayat swaha. Pick up some more. A little bit each time. Om prajapatye swaha. Idam prajapatye idam namama. Om indraye swaha. Idam indraye idam namama. Om agni swaha. Idam agni idam namama. Om somaye swaha. Idam somaye idam namama. Om bhu swaha. Idam agni idam namama. Om Bhuva Swaha Idam Vayave Idam Namama. Om Swaha Swaha Idam Suryaye Idam Namama. Pick up some more again. Om Ganganapatye Namaha Swaha. Om Hrim Srim Chandikaye Namaha Swaha. Om Hrim Kalyaye Namaha Swaha. We're going to chant Om Hrim Srim Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha Swaha 6 times. Om Hrim Srim Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha Swaha. 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 Pick up some more. Om Srim Hrim Saraswatye Swaha. ओम श्री नव दुर्गा माता भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा. ओम नमः शिवाय स्वाहा. ओम नमो भगवते नारायणाय स्वाहा. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय स्वाहा. ओम श्री हुम हनुमते नमः स्वाहा. ओम श्री सूर्यारि नवग्रह देवाय भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा. ओम श्री अगिनदेवाय स्वाहा. ओम श्री इष्ट देवाय स्वाहा. ओम श्री कुलदेवाय स्वाहा. ओम श्री स्थान देवाय स्वाहा. ओम श्री वास्तुदेवाय स्वाहा. ओम सर्वदेवता सर्वदेवी भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा. ओम सर्वदेवता सर्वदेवी भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा. Wipe your hands out. Pass water on the fire 3 times. ओम सर्वपापहरं दिव्यं गांग्यं निर्मलं जलम आचमनं च मया दत्तं गृहीतां पुरुषोत्तमः आचमन्यं समर्पयामि. Take a flower, fan the fire towards the berry 5 times. Om Vanaspati Rasodbhuto Gandhadyo Gandha Uttama Agriyang Sarvadevanang Dhupoyam Pratigrihitam Tupam Samarpayami. Wow. Okay. light the diya. You had 6 diyas fixed somewhere? No problem. You can fix 6 of them up in the meantime. Bring them here on the bedi, right? Okay. So take some flowers. You can pass around for everybody. Just take one flower in your hand. At this point, devotees, we've completed our simple puja. Now we offer bandhana or prayer. We will do this very simply. First, I will chant Lakshmi Devi Stotra, so you can concentrate and pray. Then 1 or 2 Diwali bhajans that we're all familiar with, we could join together. Then we'll have our final havan and close up over here. Okay? So you repeat in your mind, Sri Mahalakshmi Mata, Namo Namaha. Hare Om. Namaste Stu Mahamaya, Sri Pidhe Surapujite, Shankha Chakra Gadahaste, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste Garurarubhe, Kolasur Bhayankari, Sarva Papa Hare Devi, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarvagye Sarvavarade, Sarvadushta Bhayankari, Sarvadukha Hare Devi, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi, Bhukti Mukti Pradayini, Mantra Murte Sada Devi, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Adyantarahite Devi, Adi Shakti Maheshwari, Yoga Jai Yoga Sambhute, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sthula Sukshma Maharaudre, Mahashakti Mahodare, Mahapapa Hare Devi, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Padmasana Sthite Devi, Parabrahma Swarupini, Parameshi Jaganmata, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Shvetambar Dhare Devi, Nanalankar Bhushite, Jagat Sthite Jaganmata, Mahalakshmi Namostute. Mahalakshmi Ashtaka Stotram, Yah Pathe Bhaktimanarah, Sarva Siddhi Mavapnoti, Rajam Prapnoti Sarvada. Ekale Pathe Nityam, Mahapapa Vinashanam, Dvikalam Yapathe Nityam, Dhanadhanya Samanvita. Trikalam Yapathe Nityam, Mahashatru Vinashanam, Mahalakshmir Bhave Nityam, Prasana Varada Shubha. इति इंद्रकृत श्री महालक्ष्मी अष्टक स्तवः संपूर्णः। बोल श्री लक्ष्मी माता की जय। Now devotees, we will have two traditional Diwali bhajans. My wife Arati will sing, but feel free to all join together. So, the first one, do you all know He Anadhan Ki Maharani, bhajan and praise of Devi Ma? So you can join together.
Testing.
Just put her down and go help him with the system.
Testing, testing, testing. Testing. जय लक्ष्मी रानी, हे अनधन की महारानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। मंदिर तिहारा चम चम करे, लाखों दियों की ज्योति बरे। मंदिर तिहारा चम चम करे, लाखों दियों की ज्योति बरे। भक्तों का माँ भंडार भरे, हाथों से धन की बरका करे। तेरे हम पे भी हो मेहरबानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। हे अनधन की महारानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। हम मांगते माँ सोना कहाँ, हम मांगते माँ चांदी कहाँ। हम मांगते माँ सोना कहाँ, हम मांगते माँ चांदी कहाँ। हम भूखा न कोई सोई यहाँ, सब तीरथ लाल चरानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। हे अनधन की महारानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। मन से जो माँ की पूजा करे, माँ उसकी सारी दुखड़े हरे। मन से जो माँ की पूजा करे, माँ उसकी सारी दुखड़े हरे। गिरती हवा की किस्मत माँ, चरती करे और बढ़ती करे। कोई देवी न तुझसे तानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। कोई देवी न तुझसे तानी, जय लक्ष्मी रानी। हे अनधन की महारानी, ओ जय लक्ष्मी रानी, तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी। ओ जय लक्ष्मी रानी, हे अनधन की महारानी। जय लक्ष्मी रानी, ओ जय लक्ष्मी रानी, ओ जय लक्ष्मी रानी। धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी। धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी। जब कार्तिक मासो आई, तन कर 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 पटसाई। जब कार्तिक मासो आई, तन कर 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 पटसारी। ऋषियों ने विधि बताए, अग्नि पूजा करवाई। ऋषियों ने तुझको बुखाई, अग्नि पूजा करवाई। धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी। और छमुख दियनहारी, फूलों से मंडप साजी। बड़े जगमग जगमग सारी, मन देखी देखी हर्षाई। बड़े जगमग जगमग सारी, मन देखी देखी हर्षाई। धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी। श्री रामचंद्र घर आई, बन 14 वर्ष बिताई। संग लक्ष्मण सीता माई, जब दीप मालिका आई। संग लक्ष्मण सीता माई, जब दीप मालिका आई। धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूँ। पर्वत नाले नदियाँ, लिया छको जिसमें बारी। कह अवधपुरी में नर नारी, प्रभु धन्य है भाग्य हमारी। कह अवधपुरी में नर नारी, प्रभु धन्य है भाग्य हमारी। धन मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी। मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी। मैं पूजा करूँ तुम्हारी।
बोले श्री लक्ष्मी माता की जय। Testing 1, testing 2, testing 1, okay. So devotees, Just a brief word or two on Lakshmi Devi before we go on to our final Havan. We are celebrating this occasion of Diwali, and we worship, as it were, a personification of that supreme, that one supreme spirit as Lakshmi. What does Lakshmi mean? Anyone knows? Lakshmi, Lakshman, there's Laksh in it. So what does that mean? Laksh means one-pointed. It means a goal. So in the Sanskrit language, one word or root could mean different things. But here it means that goal that is to be achieved. And to achieve a goal, what do you need? You can't just achieve a goal without resources. So in life, what is the main resource that we currently have? What do we use to trade with? Money. So Lakshmi, as it were, is said to be this goddess of wealth, of money. And people have various beliefs. But really and truly, in Sanatan Dharma, we have three Devis. They are Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati. And they represent very subtle internal energies in each person. Durga represents Ichha Shakti, or the power of your will. Lakshmi Devi represents Gyan Shakti, or that power of knowledge. And Saraswati Devi, which you've commonly heard is goddess of knowledge, yes, but she's really that Kriya Shakti, or that energy of creative activity. Okay? So remember I said we have these three energies that play within us all the time. So Diwali time is not a case of just we're worshipping that goddess, but we want to generate these subtle energies within ourselves and in the home environment. Alright? So let me ask, how many of you right now at home are completely happy? Everything is fine. Not a lot of you. I hesitate to ask the others what's wrong. Now, in Sanatan Dharma, the thing is, this is key, okay? It's not about God, so to speak, but it is about us. The thing is, God, that concept of God only exists because we exist, not so? So I would say whether you think of finding that supreme on the outside, God, so to speak, or to find yourself, is the same thing. But it all comes from this understanding that in this world, we all have 5 givens. Remember the 5 givens? Everything changes and ends. Everything. Your relationships, what you have, it always changes. And it comes to an end at some point. Nothing goes according to your plan, exactly. Not so? 10 years ago, did you think you'd be where you are now? Not me. I didn't think I would be here. Alright? So, nothing goes according to plan. The third thing is, the world isn't fair. Is the world fair? You could do everything you want for that promotion, and then you're overridden, someone else gets it because of some bias or whatnot. So this thing about work hard, and what is for you is for you. What you think is for you is not really for you. The world isn't fair. And we have ways of dealing with this. What's your choice? Either you believe in karma, there's some cause for it, or it's random chance. But either way, that determines what your reaction to it would be. So if it's random, well then, alright, random, you deal with it. If you think it's due to karma, karma is a way of taking personal responsibility for what happens to you. So it's all a mental game. The fourth thing is, we all have pain. Physical pain. And when pain hits the mind, that is called suffering. So we all have some disease, something that has taken us down, not so? Dare I ask how many of you are currently suffering with some form of illness or the other? Everybody, with something. And if not, well then hold on a little bit. Just wait a little bit and something will come. And the last one, the fifth one, people are not loving nor loyal all the time. Your mother, your father, your husband, your brother, your child, they are not loving nor loyal all the time. And ask yourself, have you been the ideal brother, the ideal sister, the ideal parent, the ideal spouse? No. I'll raise my hand first. We all make mistakes. So this is life. Okay? Now, given this, we say around this time, we all know that money comes and money goes. Right? So, Diwali time isn't about this kind of prosperity. It is about love and harmony within oneself. I'll call that peace of mind. And secondly, within the home environment. Alright. So, long time, we light 6 diyas. We light it up and we go outside and scotch bomb and firecrackers and whatever else. Okay? But the 6 diyas, as the bhajan said, 6 diyas are lit. When we do puja, we have to understand Hinduism is very symbolic. But it makes no sense you do the physical action if you don't understand what it symbolizes. So, we will put 6 coins there on the kalsa, not so? 6 coins and then we'll keep those 6 coins inside. So, I've explained before what those 6 coins are and I'll do it again. There are 6 forms of inner wealth, spiritual wealth. And it doesn't matter if you're a Hindu, a Muslim, a Christian, you don't believe in God, but I think you could relate to these 6. What are the 6? There are 6 forms of internal wealth that don't go when you spend them. They don't decrease. They increase the more you use them. What are the 6? I will tell you these today. By the way, before I tell you, anyone knows? Right. So, when I say this to you, this is not Umesh just talking. This is a checklist I'm going to give you. And as I mentioned each one, I want you to ask yourself if you are currently practicing this. If not, then you have to aim for that. That is your job this Diwali. Alright? So the house that you clean is not only the outside house. You always need to keep your house clean. But keeping this house clean, as we've all heard, is the most important thing. And the house is not the body, no. The house is your mind. There are 6 diyas. The first diya, the first light, it's called Sham. The second one is called Dam. Sham and Dam, they mean together control of your own mind, control of your senses. Alright? So Ishan, if I take this here, this nice sweet rice and put it in front of you, feel hungry? A little bit. Honest child. Me too. Why? Because we have 5 senses, right? What are they? Sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. And you notice when you smell something nice, you want to eat it. When you hear something nice, you want to go. When you see somebody nice, you want to go and talk to them. Not you, are you too young for that? Right? But this is how the senses attract us. And when the senses attract us, then it bothers your mind. And that mind keep on moving like that. That is what will have you disturbed. Alright? So, control of your senses, control of your mind. Now you could say, but how can I control my senses? How can I control the mind? And the answer is you can't. The only thing you can do is stop your senses and your mind from controlling you. So I went into depth about this voice in your head and whether it is you or not. We won't go back into that. But you see this concept of Satan in Christianity? Satan is a voice in your mind telling you to do things that you're not supposed to do. Didn't Satan tell Adam and Eve, go and eat the apple? Go and eat the apple, go and eat the apple. And they went and eat the apple. Right? It is the voice in the mind. Alright. So those are 2. What's the next 2? When you have problems in life, devotees, you resort to these next 2. They are known as Uparati and Titiksha. Uparati means the ability to withdraw within your own mind, within yourself, to properly analyze a problem. Not be distracted on the outside. And Titiksha means endurance, the ability to bear, forbearance, and to move forward. So in simple terms, I call this the ability to cope. Many of you said you have problems at home. You have some disease that you're fighting. Okay? How do you go about coping with that? You have to have some philosophy. Some may say, I believe in nothing. Well, then you'll feel like you just buffeted around. So as human beings, our minds, we need some sort of tool, some belief, something to hold on to. Otherwise, we're going to feel like we're just scattered all over. And as I said, don't throw it away, because when it really comes and hits you, you have a personal illness, somebody dies close to you, a child is sick, then you look for something. You look for something to hold on to. because you can't manage. So, as they say, yeah, pass it if you didn't go through it. All right? So, we have those two, the next two. And then the final two, samadhan and shraddha. Samadhan means to be settled within yourself. Let me put that simply as being contented. So I'm going to ask you a hard question. How many of you right now are contented with your life? Raise your hand. I should keep my hand down. Where Uncle Ken is here. Uncle Ken wanted to win the lotto, right? You say when you win the lotto, then you'll be contented, right? Contentment means that you have what you have. It doesn't mean you don't work for more, but mentally you are okay to accept what you have. Not blaming this and blaming that. I blame my mother for this because the situation I in. She helped me. I blame my father because he's a so and so. My husband, worse yet, he don't do nothing. He don't want to do what I want to do. Contentment, it's based around what I want. Alright? And when too much you are very selfish. So I'm not saying don't take care of yourself, but you find that when you only think about yourself, you're very unhappy. When you think about others, you have compassion for yourself and others, you get this peace of mind. So you have samadhan, and the last one is shraddha. Now shraddha, literally translated, means faith. But shraddha really means having full awareness of your true nature. So the last word is on this last one. Diwali is said to be the festival of lights. Everybody's saying, light the light inside. Right? Light the light inside. Overcome that evil. What is the light inside? So now I'm asking you. Many of you Hindus for many years you celebrate Diwali. What is the light inside? I'll wait for an answer. What is the light inside? Okay. Now, we want a constant light inside. So you could be happy today, but if you're happy today, then tomorrow, would you still be happy? Maybe. The day after, you might still be happy, but come one day, you're going to be sad. So no matter what in this world, once you have one, you're going to get the other. Happiness leads to sadness, back to happiness again. So I wouldn't really say happiness. Any other ideas? What is the soul? Only inside? Now, this is the view of Sanatan Dharma. There is no God outside there, no form, not even inside. But there is something everywhere that is referred to Brahman. It is what we call the ground of being, the ground of reality. And it is like a light. Okay. Now remember I told you, what is the ultimate aim of Sanatan Dharma? Tat Tvam Asi. You are not who you think you are. If you think that when you die, this notion of you dies, your essence dies, you are mistaken. But also it is not a soul, a little thing that flies around here and there. That is not our concept either. As I put it before devotees, everything is one thing. But it's hard for people to understand unless you've had the experience. So I've never eaten chicken before. If you've eaten chicken, you come and say, Pandit, chicken tastes like tamarind ball. I'm just saying, I don't know what chicken tastes like. So I'll have an idea what chicken tastes like, but do I really know what chicken tastes like? No. Why? Because I didn't have the experience. Do you understand? I didn't have the experience of it. So all of these words we are saying, I could tell you certain things, but you could have no idea what I'm talking about. So therefore we are left with using stories and analogies. And I'm going to end here with just one, so that you understand. You see there is the sun. What does the sun give? Light. If you imagine a bunch of different pots, and those pots are filled with water, each pot is like each individual person. And the water in each pot is like your mind. That sun and that light shining is that essence everywhere, that ground of being. It's not an awareness in you, nor outside of you. There's everything everywhere. Invisible, we call it the Supreme Spirit. It is just pure existence itself. It never comes into being nor goes out of being. It is always. It is always. But that is like the ocean. And we are all like waves on that ocean, as I mentioned. We come up, we go down. But if you ask, how many people are there really in the world? How many creatures are there in the world? One. Now, you go, what he talking about? He crazy. This is to be realized yourself. I can't tell you about it. Okay? So, I think you will ask me at some point, what is moksha? Right? Liberation really is to understand this. But that light that we talk about, that light of Lakshmi, finding that light, that is the true light we're talking about. That spiritual light within you. If you think that you are a person just as body-mind, you are mistaken. Once you realize through some experience that you are the light, then that light always stays with you, and that is the only way to have peace of mind. Otherwise, the 5 givens I talk about, they're always going to affect you. You're never going to be happy. You're never going to be peaceful. So this Diwali, however you pray, however you want to do it, I want you to aim for 2 things. We aim for understanding that true light of Lakshmi within first and then without. Okay? That is one thing. But the second thing is, if that is too abstract for you, I want you to aim for peace of mind and harmony in your home. Understand? Alright. So, do you promise me that children, you'll try to be good children, you respect your parents, you know, even sometimes they may be a little harsh with you, that they love you and they want the best for you. At the same time, remember, parents, that children are not your investments. You're not looking for a rate of return. You have children for their sake, not for your enjoyment. Don't make that mistake. Otherwise, you will be unhappy always. Enjoy that time that you have together. Physical things mean nothing. All that you have are the relationships right now. And as you know, Didi, as you know, when it's lost, it's gone. When it's gone, it's gone. It can't come back. So whoever you have around you now, make use of that. That is the only thing that is important in life. Convinced? If not, and you still feel the rum bottle is the best thing, well, you go ahead. As I said, I'm not here to tell you what to believe, nor tell you what to do. Just like a friend to give you pointers, and you're on your own journey. Okay? So with this little message, I want to wish everybody a Shubh Diwali. When you do whatever in your homes, it is to bring about that harmony. We say, long time people, they had a simple way. Bring in Lakshmi Mata, she come in and walk in the house. Who's the Lakshmi walking in the house? Well, in my house, I know who it is. The boss lady over there. So especially the Devis in the house, you bring about the change. All the power is in your hands. Okay? Alright. So at this point here, we'll conclude this part. We will make preparations now for our final Havan. While that is being done, let's join together in one bhajan that we would all know. So Diwali time is the appearance of Lakshmi Devi. There's a story to go with that. But there was a kind of Diwali when Sri Ram came back from the forest. It wasn't the Diwali that we celebrated. It wasn't now. It was another time in the year. But still, Rama means that which shines within. So, it's the same thing, not so? The same light. Okay? Light the 6 years and fix up that for Havan. So, let's glorify Prabhu Sri Ram Bhajan, and then we'll join in our final Havan. बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन बंदो
कमल रघुनंदन
बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
कमल रघुनंदन कमल रघुनंदन कमल रघुनंदन बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
जिनकी कृपा सकल सुख संपत्ति
जिनकी कृपा सकल सुख संपत्ति
पावत जन भतन उर चंदन पावत जन भतन उर चंदन बंदो चरण
कमल रघुनंदन
हो बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
अवधपुरी प्रभु नित्य विराजत अवधपुरी प्रभु नित्य विराजत जनक सुता युत दुष्ट निकंदन जनक सुता युत दुष्ट निकंदन बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन
रघुनंदन
तीन ताप अरु जन्म मरण भय तीन ताप अरु जन्म मरण भय दूर करत चिन में जनरंजन दूर करत चिन में जनरंजन बंदो चरण
कमल रघुनंदन
हो बंदो चरण भक्त नमत चरणन में भगवन भक्त नमत
चरणन में भगवन
कृपा करिय सेवक भय भंजन कृपा करिय सेवक भय भंजन बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन हो बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन बोले श्री राजा रामचंद्र की जय. Off a little bit around each time, right? You have cotton over there. Put a piece of cotton and one supari on this panit here to Purnahuti in the end. Yeah. Let's keep it ready with you and put one supari. Alright, touch hands again, everybody. Final hawan. Everybody repeat swaha each time. Om Sri Man Mahaganadhipatiye Swaha. Om Sri Gauri Mata Swaha. ओम श्री पृथ्वी माता स्वाहा ओम श्री पंच लोकपाल देवाय स्वाहा ओम ह्रीं श्रीं चंडिकाय नमः स्वाहा ओम ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुंडाय विच्चे स्वाहा ओम ह्रीं श्रीं लक्ष्मीभ्यो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वत्यै स्वाहा ओम क्रीं काल्यै नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री तारा देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री त्रिपुर सुंदरी देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री भुवनेश्वरी देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री त्रिपुर भैरवी देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री छिन्नमस्ता देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री धूमावती देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री बगलामुखी देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री मातंगी देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री कमला देवी स्वाहा ओम श्री स्वाहा माताभ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम ह्रीं षष्ठी देव्याभ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम नमः शिवाय स्वाहा ओम नमो भगवते नारायणाय स्वाहा ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री सीतारामचंद्राय भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री राधा कृष्णाय भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री हुम हनुमते नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री आदित्य देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री चंद्र देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री मंगल देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री बुध देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री बृहस्पति देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री शुक्र देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री शनि देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री राहवे नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री केतवे नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री अगिनदेवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री इष्टदेवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री कुलदेवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री स्थान देवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री वास्तुदेवाय स्वाहा ओम सर्वदेवता सर्वदेवी भ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री अनंत स्वरूपाय ब्रह्मणे नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री गुरुवे भ्यो नमः स्वाहा. Everything. Please all stand, devotees. We make our final offering. Take a little stretch. All right, touch hands again. Last offering here. Om Purnamidah Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Sarvam Vai Purnagvam Swaha. With one side. Pass water around 3 times. Om Sarva Papaharang Dibyam Gangyam Nirmalam Jalam Achmanang Chamaya Dattam Grihitam Purushotamah Achmanyam Samarpayami Sri Agindevaye Namo Namaha. Good. You need to wash out your hands or wipe out your hands. Right. Bow, put that one side. Careful with water there. All right, put that one side. You have the thali with arti there. Take the thali. So you're going to do arti just by the bedi here. You pass arti 3 times, turn around, do that 5 times, and just remain right here, right? And then we'll do closing prayer. So just touch hands. Ghanta. Om Sajam Chavarti Sanyuktam Vahini Yojatam Maya Deepam Jihan Devase Trailokiti Mirapaham Om Yani Kani Chapapani Janmantar Pitani Cha Tani Sarvani Nasyanti Padakshina Pare Pare Om Shantakaram Bhujakshainam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagan Sadvisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamarnainam Yogi Bhirjanugamyam Vande Vishnu Bhaubhaiharam Sarvalokaikanatham Bole Sri Lakshmi Mata Ki Jai. All right, put it down there. The mango ring, you have it? No? All right. Take flowers, everybody. Now for just the people over here, take flowers for closing prayer. Pass it out. Let's use it out, right? Take as much as you could. If you have extras and anybody else want to take, let's take it. We join in closing prayer. शिव हरे शिव राम सखे प्रभु त्रिविधता परिवारन हे विभो आज जनेश्वर यादव पाहि मां शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे वरं शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे वरं प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जय मङ्गलं प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जय मङ्गलम् ॐ मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलायतनो हरे मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज ॐ मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनं यत् पूजितं मया देवा परिपूर्णं तदस्तु मे ॐ असतो मा सत्कमय ॐ तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय ॐ मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम् हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय बोले श्री लक्ष्मी माता की जय बोले श्री उमापति महादेव की जय बोले श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय Offer the flowers bow At this point, devotees, you can offer flowers if you had any. We will have a short intermission, 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to have the diyas being lit on the outside and then preparations made for our cultural program internally. So just please bear with us while we make those changes, and we will resume in about 10 minutes' time.